President Kennedy answers a question affecting the lives of thousands of families across the nation. What is the status of the 150,000 reservists called to arms? The President is very serious as he takes note of rumors that they will serve more than a year.
We call them in order to prevent a war, not to fight a war. And if our efforts to hold the peace should fail, then of course they would be used in a more direct way. But their function today is to indicate that the United States is serious about its commitments, that it means to meet its commitments, that it wants to negotiate a peaceful settlement if it can, but it does not propose to surrender. And therefore I would hope that any serviceman who is sitting in a camp, however unsatisfactory it may be, and I know how unsatisfactory it is, will recognize that he is contributing to the security of his family in a most direct way. Secondly, it is our hope to get these men out before their 12-month period. Third, these men were called in at the request of the administration and with the approval of the Congress, which gave us the authorization to call them in. In my opinion, they're rendering a valuable function. We're going to get them out as quickly as we can, but they are doing a service, and I hope they recognize it, and I hope that all of us who are in a position to communicate will explain to them and to their families how important their service is today.
The United States space effort takes a giant step as scientists and technicians prepare to orbit ENOS, a 5-year-old chimpanzee, around the Earth. This is the preliminary, all-important step in space research that the U.S. insists on being successful before a man makes an orbital flight. Part of a highly trained team of chimps, ENOS has been taught to perform certain tasks aboard the capsule.